Hello, and thanks for joining us today at BPO Homes. We are introducing BPO Homes Farm Agent, the most riveting, groundbreaking farming and marketing platform currently offered in the real estate industry today. We're here to help establish and grow your current real estate business. To do so, we would like to start by asking you just a couple of simple questions. 1. As an agent, have you ever had companies calling attempting to charge you astronomical amounts of money for leads? 2. Did you know these same leads have been recycled over and over again and are sent to agents all over your area? Unfortunately, the majority of agents cannot afford to grow business this way, and some companies can actually charge brokers and agents up to $30,000 to $60,000 per month for marketing in prime areas, providing as little as 6 to 12 leads per month in premium areas. Another issue is big brokers and agents can still pay these fees and are able to control the market because of their endless capital, and these giant marketing companies allow and assist them to control and monopolize the real estate markets. This is a main reason why such a small majority of agents control such a large majority of the business. So as a simple example, if Jane has a budget of $100,000 to spend on premium marketing, and then Bob has $10,000 or less to spend in the same market, then Jane can control the market with 10 times the capital and resources for advertisement. At BPO Homes, we have finally said enough is enough. It's time for agents to stop wasting money, and it's time to shake up the market a bit. It's also time for many of these hardworking, lower-producing agents to get a bigger piece of Grandma's pie. At BPO Homes, we fully understand the real estate industry and fully understand what it takes to grow your business and how to level out the playing field. With your BPO Homes Farm Agent subscription, we provide you with a designated 300 to 1,200 home farm area in any city of your expertise. Then we directly mail, directly email, directly text, directly call your sellers, post strategic monthly Facebook ads in your area. Then we provide you with the top life-triggering event leads in your area, causing owners to sell, which are the NOD, or Notice of Default records. As estate professionals, we know NOD sellers want and have a serious need to sell. At BPO Homes, we provide our BPO Farm Agent subscribers with our premium BPO Homes Deal Analyzer and BPO Homes Premier Agent add-ons valued at over $1,000 yearly. BPO Homes Dealer Analyzer allows our subscribing agents to evaluate home projects, remodels, flips, and new construction or rentals in full detail, just as an investor would. With just a few clicks of a button, our subscribing agents can send a professional investor report pro forma, personally branded by the agent, to potential buyers and sellers and investors. BPO Homes Premier Agent allows our agents to brand themselves in up to 5 cities of agents' expertise. The BPO Homes Premier Agent platform provides subscribing agents with a custom website page to upload all listings and photos and property information, along with a personal marketing video directly onto the BPOHomes.com website, which is directly attached to BPO Home Listing Search. Finally, don't ever buy business cards again that people take and throw in the garbage. We top it all off by providing our subscribers with their very own complimentary digital business card. With just a simple, quick cell phone tap of your card, and voila, your new potential client has all of your contact information and custom BPO Homes Premier Agent page in front of them. At BPO Homes, fully brand you and promote you to sellers and buyers, and our subscribing agents receive all of this for only $199 to $349 per month. Now, we bet you're asking how we can provide you even more than what other companies offer for thousands for only a few $100s a month, which is just a fraction of the cost. Here's how it works. We create a partnership with our agents. We simply ask agents to provide us with BPO reports when ordered by buyers or sellers. At BPO Homes, we have created a streamlined, quick way for agents to create BPO reports with just a few clicks of a button. A buyer or seller in your farm area makes a request for a BPO report from any one of the marketing resources BPO Homes provides to you. When we receive the BPO report order, we forward you the BPO report request. You log into your personal account with BPO Homes, and then you personally receive a $100 credit to your BPO Homes account. That's right, we even pay you for your market expertise. Your personal marketing pays for itself in multiple ways. At BPO Homes, we receive revenue by providing reports to buyers and sellers, and in exchange, we are able to charge extremely low rates to advertise agents on and through our platform. It's a win-win for everyone. Farm areas are limited and going fast. So what do you say? Join BPO Homes today.